All right, should I start? Yeah. We here in Iceland, we are very much north. Cutting the herbs, going foraging, getting fish for the market, butchering all the fish. All these small rituals can take on a unique significance depending on their intention. The flavors and the history of the islands are for me an endless source of inspiration. Exploring what nature offers, experimenting the joy of cooking and sharing food is what makes my everyday kind of extraordinary. The kitchen is the heart, both of our restaurants and at home. A space where we prepare food while enjoying each other's company, where everyone can share the stories of their day and create new ones. Our everyday revolves around the pleasure of being together, especially around the table. I believe that food can always be connected to memories somehow. Exploring new destinations, working abroad and getting in touch with different cultures and traditions, including the Italian one, allowed me to develop my culinary approach. Nowadays I travel a lot to promote Icelandic food culture and hopefully to put it on the map. This is why cooking with Arclinea has been important. Our collaboration matches on a common set of values, everything from preserving our legacy and connecting food from different cultures, leading a renowned sense of conviviality.